Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do the in-depth review and lip swatches about these lipsticks. So I have the new Mars lipstick and give me a second. So yeah, we have the new Mars matinee lipstick and matinee lipstick, actually that's the name, and I have two shades, and we have I don't know why they have launched same shades, same everything in this component. So this is the matte love range. So yeah, we are going to do the lip swatches, the hand swatches. I'm going to tell you everything. If you want to know my in-depth review about these lipstick newly launched by Mars, keep on watching. And if you are new to this channel, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I create content around drugstore makeup, affordable skincare. So if that's interests you, please consider subscribing. And I post pretty regularly, 5 to 6 times a week. So if that's interests you, please consider subscribing. And yeah, now let's get into the video. Okay, so first we will talk about the outer box. So you can see there is a clear-cut difference. So this is the outer box for the matinee lipstick by Mars, and this is the outer box by Mars Matte Love. Literally both the lipstick have same shade, so same shade name. So we have the shade Chestnut Courage 06, number 1 Nude Flirt, then we have number 2 Cherry Cherry. And this chestnut shade is so pretty. I have given this to my mom. I'm going to just swatch it here for video. I bought this, brought it. I don't know she will like the cherry one, or also Nude Flirt is a very pretty nude. So yeah, we have a brown, we have a red, we have a nude. So I think I picked quite a decent range, and I can give you my honest review. And my honest thought about this launch is, like, we have so many matte lipstick. Do we want another matte lipstick? Although the packaging is, oh my god, so cute, so pretty. Love the packaging, love everything, but I would like that Indian brands will follow trends like other international drugstore, like we have Colourpop and other things, which we are going to talk in next video, okay, about NYB. I think it is like Colourpop version of Indian Colourpop, I think. It's my opinion. About Mars, they have launched so many good products in this year, and I'm so impressed. New year, new start, but I wish they have launched glosses or blotted sheer lipstick. That's the trend. Internationally, you will see the trend is more so into sheer coverage makeup, okay, sheer base. And I have the new Insight full coverage foundation. So drugstore is lacking, when it is coming to trends. They should incorporate the trend, especially the newer generation is Gen Z. I don't even understand all that, okay. So they are the new generation, for they follow the trends, and lip oils, glosses, this should be the new launches, not the same matte lipstick, okay. Yeah, that's my thought about this launch. And now we are going to talk about the packaging. It's so cute. Look at that. After seeing this packaging, and this has this gold, it is not that shebang gold, it is subdued gold, matte gold. So yeah, it's not shiny gold, it's a matte gold. It's very cute, and it has screw. It's just not closing like this, it has screw. So very interesting concept about the bullet, okay. And it has this cut. Can you guys see? It is like this. It's a very cute looking, I would say, classy looking, not cute looking. The cute is that heart shaped one. This is very classy, giving me vintage makeup vibe. So this is the shade Cherry Cherry. I am a huge fan of formula. It just glides like butter, and it's so smooth. It glides like butter. So this is Cherry Cherry, a very pretty cherry shade, and nothing unique about the shade. And a formula is it glides like butter, then it sets a matte. So nothing unique in terms of shade or formula. It's just a cute launch. I don't know what to say. Packaging wise, I really like it. Now we have the next shade, and this shade is Chestnut Courage. And the moment I swatched this, I was like, I will give this to my mom. And yeah, my mom loved the shade, and it's a very pretty reddish brown. Look at it. So it's a very good gifting option. If you want to give something to mom, you can give this shade. And yeah, it's a very pretty brown, And then we have Nude Flirt, and it is so cute. I love the personally, this range is 100 rupees less expensive than that range, plus the cutesy heart. Oh god, it's so pretty. So this is the matte love. I just dropped the cap. So you can see this is rose gold. So this is rose gold, not gold, but it is matte again. So this is the shade Nude Flirt, and Yeah, another thing. These don't have particularly that much fragrance. This smells like coffee. Oh my god, it smells so divine. And the gone were those days I used to hate drugstore lipstick because they smells terrible. And these days, itna sasta lipstick smelling so good. It smells so much like coffee. I want to drink coffee now. So yeah, it's a very pretty nude. I love this shade, and plus the sherry shade I love. And this is a good shade. I have gifted this to my mom. I have given this to my mom. So yeah, and I love the cutesy heart packaging. And if there, honestly, if there must, if there were more nudes, I think they have just one nude in this collection. I don't know why they did this. I could have picked more shade, but because this is very inexpensive, like 180 rupees when I bought it. Amazing. I bought these from Flipkart, where I saw the same shade range with different packaging and different price point. I was like, ye kya hai bhai? So yeah, and so these are the three shades, and now I'm going to give you the lip swatch. And yeah, longevity wise, I have to say they are like pretty long wearing, and once it's set I will show you that it is 100% transfer proof or not. We will look into that. And I have tried one shade, and it was quite long wearing, like it stayed for entire day. Yeah, so I have tried this shade, and this was there throughout the day on my lips. So yeah, loving this range. Now let's just moving on move with the lip swatches. Usually with any lipstick I have lip liners, but I'm going to give you swatches. So let's just swatch Chestnut Courage. See, it's very pigmented. So as you can see, it does transfer a little bit, but I think if we will let this, I have not let it sit. So in 2 to 3 minutes, I think this will be completely matte, as it is a matte lipstick. So yeah, the transferage is really less. So yeah, overall I like these lipstick, but these are not any revolutionary launch. It is the regular lipstick launch. I think every now and then, I think Indian brands are like, let's just launch lipstick, and that's that. Otherwise, the price point is good. The packaging wise, I see a huge improvement. A lot of time drugstore lipstick, affordable lipstick, have that same black packaging. It is very pretty looking, and you can even give these are so cutesy. You can give these to your mom, to your sister, anybody, and these are so cute. Packaging wise, love it. Shade wise, the shades are regular. They have a yeah, they have a purple. I think they have a grape shade. Not something I will use, but if you are into unique shades that you might find interesting, I love this shade. I love the cherry shade, and yeah, it's a very pretty comfortable matte lipstick. It's not that drying or something, and it is matte. And I think if you will give it 5-10 minutes, this will completely set. Right now also it's transferring a little bit, not like crazy transfer. So yeah, I already have just did this with the cherry shade. So yeah, transfer age is, let me just try it. Yeah, you can see the transfer age is quite less. And yeah, overall I like the concept, the formula and everything of these lipstick. There's nothing much to say. And you know, yeah, as I said earlier, I want Mars to launch more trendy lip products like lip oils, lip glosses, and I hope they will listen to me. So yeah, as a loyal Mars consumer, I want some more trendy products from Mars, especially in lip category. They have another lip crayon launch. I'm not that interested in that. Lipstick does not interest me. I have so many, and I have nudes, I have reds, I have browns, I have the shades which I will use. Okay, so just I'm not going to buy for the sake of buying practically the same thing and new component. I think that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.